This picture is going to be air house, Pip.
Let's see what shapes we can make. Step 1.
Lava.
Hands are up.
Paint.
I want to use the colour glass. I want to paint a tree or the grass. Our house. What's next, Pip?
Fairies!
That looks lovely, Pip.
Gohalin, just like a butterfly.
I chose bui as my colour because I wanted to paint.
A sun.
Gohalin, what colour paint did you use, Fia? Zarug, lovely red flowers. And gloss for grass. What colour shall we paint with next? Gurum?
You've painted bluebells. Gohalin.
Good idea to use our Kusa, Blohin.
Kusa prints and lava prints.
Gohalin a chorja.
The picture looks brilliant.
Huh?
RTÉjr.
A new mark.
It wasn't made by our lava.
Or by our Kusa. It's nothing like the picture of the bluebells.
It doesn't look like Pip's love.
What type of lava or kusa would make a mark like this?
Could it be a squiggly snail trail? But snails are very slow. We would have seen it on the paw pair.
Whatever it is, it can't have gone far. Let's look for it.
There's glass on the table and more on the ground.
A Raiglin. Uh-oh, a horse? What if the mystery animal is a snake?
Will she?
Oh no, Pip is in the cafe with the snake. I'm coming, Pip!
Huh?
Will she? Oh.
That was a close one.
Oh no, Fia! It's behind you!
Snake!
Snake! RTÉ me with.
Don't worry, Pip! We'll save you!
Will she?
I've got you, Snake! Huh? Wait a minute. This isn't a snake at all! Pip, your tail must have dipped in the color glass by accident.
Whew, that's a relief.
RTÉjr.
Gohalin, Pip. Looks like we really did find a snake in the garden after all.
One teapot full of water and a big basket full of snacks. And I baked biscuits as a special surprise. These brisket are really blaster.
Air Race! We have a surprise for you too. We invited some friends to join us. So our picnic is now a teddy bear picnic.
Oh, be careful with the basket, Kuan. The brisky might get broken.
We can't wait to introduce you to our teddy bears. Snowy is one of my oldest friends. Eriglin.
Flohin, what is a teddy bear? Teddy bear. I've no idea.
Meet Snowy and Bruno.
Aren't bears dangerous?
Not at all. Big wild bears might be, but teddies are small and snuggly and make brilliant friends.
So, a teddy is a small bear? Bearing.
Amir, I don't think the fairies have ever seen a teddy before.
Maybe they don't have teddy bears on Fairy Island.
Dear it, Snowy. Dear Bruno. Go on. Why didn't the Fairies say RTÉjr was back? Maybe they're shy. Don't worry. They'll liven up soon.
Now, would you like tea, Kuan?
Let the hell.
Would you like tea, Snowy?
She's still not speaking. These teddy bearini must be very shy.
Are you hungry, Bruno?
Careful of the brisky, Kuan. Don't worry. Now, who wants an apple? Walat Ulfia?
Let a hole.
Walat Ul? Bruno? Fia! Why won't Snowy and Bruno talk to us? It's not very nice. How are they your best friends when they're not even friendly?
Huh?
Of course. All the animals on Fairy Island can talk, so the fairies have no idea.
That teddies can't speak.
What? They don't speak at all?
Berini are better at listening. If you're upset, a Berine will make you feel much better. Right, Fia?
They're the best huggers around.
Oh, I see. Oh, we understand now, Berini. No need to chat. Just enjoy some lovely brisky. Oh, no. The Ula must have broken them. Oh.
Láithín, Walat Bruno? A hug from a teddy bear might help.
A barrow might be nice. I'm sorry, Blóithín. I broke the brisky. Oh, I feel terrible.
Why don't you tell Snowy about it?
Blóithín spent all morning baking brisky, and I broke them by accident, and now she's sad. Give Snowy a barrow, Kuan. Oh, a barrow from a berry is very warm and fuzzy. The brisky still tastes great, you know, even if they are broken.
Exactly. See, making you feel better is what teddies do best.
Oh.
Which Pip?
What's the lower about, Fia?
Well, the book is called The King of the Birds.
Rein the name.
I'm guessing it's about birds.
Éan nos mishe?
Yes, Cheep Cheep. Birds like you.
Once upon a time, the birds agreed that whoever could fly the highest would be crowned Reen na Hain. The little wren knew that he could never fly as high as the eagle or the raven. How could the wren ever be crowned king?
Drolene. So cute.
The Drolene watched as the raven and the eagle
Fiach agus an Tuller
took to the skies. Everyone knew they were the strongest flyers. One of them was bound to win. High up in the clouds, the Iller was in the lead, and then something strange happened.
Oh no, where's the last page?
Oh, it's missing. That is strange. How will we ever find out how the scale ends?
Why don't we make up our own endings to the story?
Sweene.
Let's split into teams. Me and Kuan, Blóithín and Amir. Pip, do you have paper and crayons we can use?
Teacher.
This is how we feel the scale should end.
The Ain was flying really high. The Iller was in the lead. Then suddenly, whoosh! A big wind lifted the Iller higher and higher until he finally landed on the moon, where he lived happily ever after. And the Feast was crowned Reen na Ain. The end.
Yay!
That was a great
our turn now. The Iller and the Fiach were flying higher and higher. Then they heard a strange sound.
Beep, boop, beep, beep, boop, boop.
They looked up and saw a spaceship.
Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep.
Inside, they made a new friend, and they went on lots of fun adventures. The end.
Yeah!
Oh, tá sé agam, tá sé agam. What do you have, Cheep Cheep?
It's the missing page from our lower. You found it.
Now we'll find out how the scale really ends.
Read it, Fia.
The Iller flew higher than the Fiach and was about to be named rte when he felt something move in his tail. It was the Droline. This clever little bird has saved its energy by hitching a ride and flew higher than the Fiach and the Iller and was crowned rte.
Rena! Yay! Don't you just love stories? I think my favorite part was thinking up our own ending.
I know. Why don't we add our own pages to the end of the book so we can choose our own ending next time?
Yay!
That one looks like an elephant.
I see it. Eros. Look at that one. It looks like Blahin and Kuan. Oh, wait. It is Blahin and Kuan. Ready for our picnic?
Oh, yes.
What's wrong, Kuan? Not hungry?
Your vehicle is loose.
Aw, are you worried?
Maybe, Borja. I don't want my vehicle to fall out.
But that's what happens when we grow up. Our baby Fiacla fall out.
And once your vehicle falls out, then the Shiog na Fiacla visits.
Not on Fairy Island, she doesn't.
Really? What happens here?
I'll show you. After a fairy loses a vehicle, first you wrap it in a leaf, and then you put it in here. This wakens the wishing tree from her slumber, and she will grant you one wish, whatever you want.
What will you wish for?
I don't know what to wish for.
What about a racing car?
Or for a pet dinosaur?
Or a giraffe on a bike! First things first, my vehicle needs to fall out.
And I know a trick to help.
Ooh.
Yeah, ooh. Take a big bite, and that will help the vehicle to fall out. Be brave, Kuan.
Yeah. Be Kroga.
Be
Kroga.
Be Kroga.
Be
Be Kroga.
I guess my vehicle isn't ready to fall out. That's okay. There's no need to rush things, right? Who's making all that noise?
Look, the baby bird is getting ready to take its first flight.
The bird seems a bit worried.
Aww.
And it's okay to be Borja, but it's good to be brave too.
Be Kroga. Be Kroga. Be Kroga.
What is it? My vehicle!
Here it is.
Now to make my wish.
Be Kroga. Be Kroga. Be Kroga.
What did you wish for?
You wished for a new tooth?
The vehicle Grownups ad? Of course.
Huh?
Huh?